guys, so this video is a review of the new Vanford reel and also the Stradic ci4 Plus. I've also got an FK Stradic there as well, so we're going to get into the specs. Keep it short, simple, sweet, straight to the point. My overall review, unbiased. I'm not sponsored by anyone. If anyone wants to sponsor me, hi there. But yeah, unbiased review of the Shimano range that I have behind me. If you guys are interested in this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and chuck in some comments down below if you guys would like another video like this going through my Shimano baitcaster range. I can do a video with that, nice review of that, and hopefully give you guys some pointers if you are looking at buying a few of their products. So alright, so we'll do a quick spec review and a comparison of the two reels here. So these are 2,500 size reels. Alright guys, so I've got the boxes here. I'm not going to go too in depth with the specs. I'm not very tech savvy. For me, as long as the reel works well for me and I enjoy using it, that's pretty much all I look for, is because I want to spend more time out on the water and not reading specs and getting all nerdy. So we're just going to read the box specs, do a comparison, and then just an overall review if I think it is worth upgrading your Stradics to the new Vanfords. Alright, so we got the boxes there guys, so there's really not much difference in between them. They've both got the same drag, 9 kilos of drag. The Vanford is a little bit lighter by 10 grams, so the new Vanford is 180 grams, the old Stradic 190 grams. The Vanford has an extra ball bearing in it, does make it a little bit smoother. Both reels are very smooth, don't get me wrong. So that's pretty much it guys, there's not really that much difference between them. You can tell that they've changed what they look like. In my opinion, the old Stradic looks a lot more modern and a lot nicer. They've kind of refined the look of the Vanford a little bit, and it is a little bit plain looking, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what a reel looks like, it is what it performs like. Alright, so they're my 4,000 size reels guys. Now I can't really compare the two because that's the new Vanford and that is an FK Stradic. I basically got this Stradic just for rock fishing. It's a little bit more robust than the ci4 Plus. It is a lot heavier, but it is a lot more solid. Now that's why I bought it. Because it does get banged around on the rocks a little bit. As you can see, there's a little bit of scuff marking just underneath the rotor there, wherever it is. So it does get bashed on the rocks a little bit. A lot of water sprays up on it. So that's why I bought the bigger, more robust FK. So this is an XG, just so it's nice and quick with the rotation. So if you're throwing chromies off for Mackie or Taylor, that type of thing, fantastic little reel for that. But yeah, I've had that for maybe about a year now, and I've caught some absolute fantastic fish with that, and I do use that in the estuaries for my mangrove jack fishing as well. Being an XG, it is really handy having that extra power to pull them out of that snag. So this reel has been absolutely fantastic. Quickly go through the box specs on this guy here guys. So it's got 11 kilos of drag, 280 grams, so it is getting up to that heavier reel, but it is still pretty light. So if you're going off the rocks, you kind of target around the turn of the tide, you're only going to be there for a few hours, so you have no troubles throwing this guy around. It's not that heavy. 7 ball bearings, same as the Stradic and the smaller one, and she is nice and smooth. Again with the drag isn't the smoothest thing in the world, but it is definitely enough to get you through. And that's it guys, so that's review of the FK, really good little reel. Alright guys, so that is the 4,000 Vanford reel. Now I bought this, almost dropped it, I bought this again for that estuarine kind of target species, jacks, that type of thing now. Because this guy lives mostly in my boat, I don't have to worry about it getting bashed around a great deal with my rod straps in the boat. It's always pretty secure, so I thought I'd buy this just to give it a good crack, and yeah, it's been a fantastic little reel. Just like the 2,500, it's silky smooth and it is quite light, especially for a 4,000. We'll go through the box specs on this bad boy. So this has got 11 kilos of drag as well, 215 grams that weighs, which is ridiculous for a 4000 size reel. It is so light. 8 ball bearings, nice and smooth, and the drag is awesome. So overall, the Vanfords you cannot go wrong with. They are the replacement of the iconic Stradic range, and for the price point that you have, I really don't think you can go wrong, especially with that 10-year warranty. Yeah, I have no troubles at all with these reels. I think they're a fantastic product, and I love them. So overall, guys, do I think it is worth selling all your Stradics to buy the new Vanfords? No, I don't. If you have the old Stradics ci4 Plus and you're happy with them, happy with the quality, keep them, you know, because like I said, these are discontinued now. If you sell this on eBay and then you regret it, well, you're not going to be able to find them again unless you buy second hand, and then you don't know what the reel was going to be like. So if you've taken care of it and you love them, don't sell them, because the few specs that are a little bit improved, in my opinion, is definitely not worth the extra money. But if you are in the market for upgrading any of your fishing gear, if you have maybe Sedonas and you're looking at maybe the Vanfords, that is 100% worth the upgrade now. Like I said, Vanfords, Stradics and up, Shimano product really gets a lot better, and you can really feel the difference between the smoothness and the weight as well, and also how much better the drag system is. Anyway guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. As always, like, subscribe and comment down below. I do have quite a few Shimano bait casters. If you guys would like another video like this, chuck in a comment below and I can get a video happening. So hope everybody's staying safe out there in this crazy time, and if you can, try and get out and enjoy the little spots of weather that we yeah, when the sun comes out. It's not very often, but yeah, she's pretty grey out there today. Anyway guys, take care out there, and until next time, keep it real. Yo!